that time of year again.
Oh, joy.
You get to wear your hat.
Ho, ho, ho.
Oh, it still fits. And you had the right shirt on and everything today.
I'm in the mood.
Alrighty, let's go for a drive. Hello, faithful people. I'm Orlene.
I'm Gary.
And first we did go for a drive, and we're going to show you that first so you can see some of the winter scenery around here in southern Wisconsin. And now we are at a place, it's a park in Whitewater, Wisconsin that has quite a light display. So now we're going to walk through that. And Gary still has his hat on. And we stopped at a Culver's, which is a restaurant pretty much known in the Midwest. Anyway, we had just walked out of that, and a lady said, "Love your hats." What? Okay, here we go. you enjoyed that little drive through the countryside and then the lights.
I especially enjoyed not. I especially enjoyed getting warm again.
Oh, yes.
It was very cold out.
It was 17 degrees when we were Fahrenheit, for those of you who are on the Celsius mode. It was 17 degrees Fahrenheit while we were walking through that park. So we didn't see any people there.
No, strange. Yeah.
We're supposed to be the ones that are so wimpy
Well,
because we were...
More people would have made it warmer.
Right.
But we love you guys so much.
The things we do for you. Yes. I guess we're going to just end this video here, except that Gary has a little Christmas message for you.
Whether we are enjoying the frigid outdoors and the beautiful white Christmas that we've had so far, or whether it's raining later this week, or what, we lose all the white stuff here, wherever we might be in this world, we and whatever we might be going through, we have the good news that our God loved us so much He sent His Son into this messed up world so that He might rescue us and give us peace, order, forgiveness, life, everything that we can celebrate as Christians every day, wherever we are, whatever we're going through, and especially this time of year, to remember how great God's love is for us, that He came here just because He loves us that much. So, God's blessings to all of you. Merry Christmas, wherever you are, and whatever you're going through. Celebrate with us the joy of knowing God's love for us in Jesus.
Merry Christmas. Till next time. God bless.